And in this video today, we are going to explore two different potential areas in Hyderabad, especially the Golden Triangle and the Silver Rectangle. The Golden Triangle, which is there in the west of Hyderabad, and the Silver Rectangle, which will be coming in the south of Hyderabad. So we'll be comparing both these areas, considering the fact that there has been a change of kind of strategy from the current government. So we'll be discussing that, but we're strategically located and where you should invest if you're planning to invest for the next 2 to 3 years. So let's go to Google Earth and explore in detail. So here we are on Google Earth, and as you can see, this is where you have the Golden Triangle, which is basically the area from Kokapet to Mokila and also to Patancheru area. So that makes it the Golden Triangle over here. And primarily there are three roads here, three sides of the Golden Triangle. You have on the one side the Narsingi Sankarpalli road, which is this one. This is the Sankarpalli Patancheru road, is this one, and the third is the ORR, so this one. So these three make this Golden Triangle over here. And now coming to the comparison of both the areas, so we're not going to see the absolute numbers. Obviously the absolute numbers of Golden Triangle would be much more than the Silver Rectangle. Then there are basically two parts. You can divide the Golden Triangle to two parts. One is the lower part of the triangle, which is completely developed and also it's undergoing a lot of development. You have Kokapet over here, you have Neopolis over here, and also you have other areas like Kollur over here. You have areas like Nandigaon, you have areas like Velimela, Bhanur. So these areas come in the upper triangle. So we have to look at from a perspective of how exactly the lower triangle and the upper triangle will pan out in next few years. So obviously, even though there is not a lot of focus in this area compared to what the earlier government did, but still we think that this area is continue to grow. At least the lower triangle is continue to grow because there's been a lot of development happening in this area, and considering the proximity to Gachibowli and financial district, this area is definitely going to prosper also in next few years. But when it comes to the upper triangle, there could be a lack of infrastructure over there, and a lot of focus is not going to be there from the current government in this area. Would mean that there will not be a lot of development happening in the upper triangle over here. You definitely are going to see a lot of development in the lower triangle in this Golden Triangle. Now coming to the Silver Rectangle, even though the metro has been scrapped from Gachibowli to the airport, but there is going to be another metro line which will be coming from the central Hyderabad and will come towards Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. So that is also going to give a lot of visibility to this area, the South Hyderabad